Dear students, topic for this section is Azure core infrastructure, that is App Fabric. So App Fabric is a comprehensive middleware. It is used for developing, deploying and managing application on the cloud or for integrating existing application with the cloud services. It supports the scaling out, high availability, sandboxing, multi-tenancy, state management and dynamic address resolution and routing. These services are available through language agnostic interfaces. The middleware offers a collection of services that simplify many of the common tasks in the distributed applications like communication, then authentication, authorization and data access. So it provides three facilities: access control, service bus and Azure cache. So what is access control? As we know, access control means give the access to the authorized users only and restrict the access to the unauthorized users. So App Fabric provides the capability of encoding access control to resources in a web application and services into a set of rules that are expressed outside the application code base. So these rules give the flexibility that it provides access to the authorized users only and it restricts the access to the unauthorized users. Next is service bus. So service bus constitute the messaging and connectivity infrastructure. As we know, bus is used to connect the different devices. So it is used for the messaging and connectivity infrastructure. It is provided with App Fabric for building the distributed and disconnected applications. This service bus allows application to interact with different protocols and patterns over a reliable communication channel that guarantee delivery. This service is designed to allow transparent network traversal and to simplify the development of loosely coupled applications. And for this service bus, it is possible to support the publish subscribe models. There is one publisher and another are subscribers. Then full duplex communication, which allows sender to send the data as well as receiver also to send the data, that is bidirectional traffic, point to point as well as peer-to-peer environment, unicast and multicast message delivery in one-way communication, and asynchronous messaging to decouple application components. In order to use this feature, that is service bus, application need to be connected to the bus which provides these services. Okay, it is necessary to connect to that bus. Next is Azure cache. As we know, cache is used for faster access. So Windows Azure provides a set of durable storage solution that allow application to persist their data. So Azure cache is a service that allows developer to quickly access the data. It is used to quickly access the data and which is stored into the Azure cache. This services implements a distributed in-memory cache of which the size can be dynamically adjusted by the application according to their needs. Means there is no specific size for this cache. Means the size is flexible. We can set according to our need, and this cache is used for the faster access and the frequently accessed data is stored into the cache. Okay. Next topic we will see in the next section. Thank you.